So you've probably heard affiliate marketing 100 times, but every method out there seems to either require a blog, a website, or some kind of large audience, which you probably don't have. Maybe you even tried sharing links on social media, but you got no clicks. Or even worse, you felt like you were spamming people. Now, if that sounds like you, then listen up. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage Pinterest affiliate marketing without a website or even a large audience and make thousands of dollars monthly. As you can see from my screen, this is over $4,000 already earned. And with this particular method that I will be showing you, you can earn the same or even more. Now, the good thing about this strategy that I will be sharing with you is that you can do this with zero upfront cost, as I will be using completely free tools, which means you can get started with this immediately. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply recommending a product and earning commission whenever somebody buys it through your affiliate link. Now, what makes this method so powerful is that we are using Pinterest, which is a visual search engine with millions of active users, to get our affiliate links seen using this unique strategy that I will be showing you. Now, the very first step you want to do when it comes to this particular strategy is you want to first of all pick a niche. Now, to do that, you want to go over and head to ChatGPT and simply give ChatGPT a prompt. What are the best niches that do well on Pinterest? Because we want to pick our niche based on what will do well or what is already currently doing well on Pinterest. Now, ChatGPT has gone ahead to give us the best niches. You can see personal finance, you can see health and fitness, productivity and self-improvement, home decor, and the likes. So if we should scroll down through all of this, we can simply pick a niche from it. And I am going to be picking the productivity niche. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to pick an affiliate marketing network where you will have a bundle of the products under this niche that you can promote. And we are going to be leveraging on Amazon Associates. Now, we're going to head over to Amazon. You want to, first of all, have an Amazon account. And once you do that, you want to sign in into the Amazon Associates account where you want to fill your details so you can start using the Associates platform. So here you want to input your account information. You are going to input your address below where they will make the payment to. So you're going to also enter your payee name, you're going to enter your address, you're going to enter your city, your zip code, your country, your phone number, who is the main contact for this account, if it's someone else or if it's you. You want to enter your contact name, and once that is done, you want to go ahead and click on next. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to enter your website detail or your mobile app list. Now, for this particular part, you do not need to have any large social media, because even with a small social media following, you can actually get accepted into it. All they need to know is that you have a particular place where you will be promoting your link. So if you have an Instagram account, a Facebook account, a YouTube channel, you can just go ahead and put it there, and you can add as many as you want to it. Now, once you have filled in your website or your social media, you're going to go ahead and fill in your profile. You want to fill in your preferred associate store ID, which is the name that you prefer to be showing on your store. You want to tell us a little bit about the content you create. Now, for this part, you want to make it as detailed as possible. So you don't just want to write one line, because the more detail you give them, the more chances that you will be accepted into the program. And once you do that, the next thing you also want to do is you want to tick which of them describes your content. So if it's a blog, you want to tick a blog. If it's a content or niche website, you want to tick that. If it's search, you want to also tick that. In case of comparison or shopping engine, coupon, Alexa skill, whatever. If it is any social media account, whether it's Instagram and the likes, you may want to tick content. Now, how do you hear about us? We want to tick which of them applies to you. You want to enter the captcha here. And once that is done, you want to go ahead and finish. Once you are done and you're eventually accepted into the Associate Central account, next thing you want to do is you want to log in. Once you log in, you'll be able to see your earnings overview and your dashboard. Of course, since it's a new account, everything is going to be zero. But in the later part of this video, I will be showing you a unique strategy that can help you get fast and running at zero cost. Now, the third step that we want to do now is to find a product that we want to promote. So now we have already joined an affiliate network. We already know our niche, which is the productivity niche. Now we want to choose some certain products that we would like to promote. So we want to head over to the Amazon website, and what we are going to be promoting is we're going to be promoting books under productivity. So you want to go ahead and search productivity books, and under which you're going to see different of them. So you're just going to scroll down, see whichever one that you would like to promote. Always make sure that you open each of the products if you're not certain on which one you want to promote, and you want to look at the reviews, because the reviews will help you know if that product is worth promoting or not. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Ali Abdul. For example, you can see it has really good reviews and it has a lot of purchases, meaning that people are actually purchasing this book and a lot of people are actually getting satisfaction from this book. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you would always see this bar here where you can easily get your link for any of the products that you open. So this will be where we will get our link for this book. And if we should scroll down, we can see this book has both hardcover, paperback, audiobook, and Kindle. Now, what we will be promoting now is the Kindle, because with the Kindle, they get to access the book immediately, unlike the hardcover where they will need to wait for some certain number of days before it's being shipped, which can affect people's buying decisions. So we're going to go for the Kindle, and for the Kindle, this is where we're going to go get our link for it. Now, the next step is we want to get blog post ideas. So what we are going to do is we're going to head over to ChatGPT, and we're going to tell ChatGPT to give us 10 blog post ideas on creativity. Now, these ideas should be ideas that would do well on Pinterest. I want to use it as a value content to sell some Amazon affiliate products, in brackets, books. Remember, the more detail you give to AI, the better the results will be. Now, ChatGPT has gone ahead to give us great and amazing blog post ideas. You can see morning routine hacks, 5-minute habits. You want to scroll down, and if you are not satisfied with what you have, you can tell ChatGPT to give you 10 more or 20 more, depending on you. Now, we're going to scroll through it and we're just going to select one. I like this number 7, and we are going to tell ChatGPT to give us a blog post on this number 7's blog post idea. So we can simply say, give me a detailed and relatable blog post on the 80-20 rule, get more done by doing less, which should appeal to my prospective reader. Keep it intriguing. Communication must be natural and simple, and make it relatable by giving relatable scenarios. And now ChatGPT has gone ahead to do exactly that. You can see everything here. And if you scroll down, you can see a pitch or a slow pitch where it says books that can help you work smarter, not harder. Now, what we are going to do now is that we are going to go and head over to Medium. Now, Medium is a site that has tons and tons of viewers that visit daily, tons of active viewers. Now, if you scroll down, you can see here, this post has gotten over 16K claps. This has gotten over 1.3K claps. This has gotten over 5.4K claps, meaning even more persons have viewed this post. And this is what we want to go take advantage of. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how. Now, we're going to go to Medium. You want to sign up. It's absolutely free to post a story or to publish a story. And you want to log in and click on Write. Once you click on Write, here is where you'll be able to write your story or your article, and you want to put in the title. Remember that ChatGPT has given us a blog post. I want to go to ChatGPT. We can copy the topic here. We'll head over to Medium and we're going to paste that here. Then now we are going to add our story. We're going to go to ChatGPT, copy all of that which ChatGPT has given to us, and we can head back to Medium and paste it there. Now, what you want to do is you want to look through it and see if there's any formatting that needs to be done. For example, you can see this has a lot of spaces there. And we're just going to go ahead and just take all these extra bullet points out just to make it very organized. So now I have gone ahead to do the formatting and this looks a lot better. You would want to read through it and ensure that everything is looking good. If there are things that you may want to add based on your own experience, you can add that just to make it much more relatable and to add your own personal touch to it. You also want to scroll down just to ensure everything is good. Now, at this part where it says bonus book that helps you work smarter, no harder, we want to take out all of this here. And we are going to go back to Amazon and impute our book here. So now we have done that. We have put feel good productivity, how to do more of what matters to you. And we're just going to go ahead and make it a hyperlink. You can go put in the link here. And we're going to go to Amazon and get our affiliate link by clicking this part here, and we're just going to go copy it. We can then head back to Medium, and we're going to paste the link there. So you can see it's underlined, meaning that anybody who clicks the link, it will take them to the Amazon landing page where they can purchase the book and access it immediately. Now, we may want to go change this here. You can see here are some, but we just put one book. And the reason why it is more converting to put one book than more, because when you put multiple books, it gives people too many options. And at the end of the day, it reduces their conversion rate because then they are uncertain on what to pick. But when you put one particular affiliate link to a book, it gives them that certainty that you are certain that this is the book that they need. This is the right book that they should actually go for. So we're going to change this. So you can say, here is a game-changing book that helps me apply the 80-20 mindset rightly and can literally change how you work and live. So you're telling people this worked for you, so it worked for them. Remember that affiliate marketing is basically about promoting a product you believe in. So if you are giving them a value content, your affiliate link must signal to them that this is a product you believe in, so they should actually go get it. You can see below that there's a note here on Amazon Associate because it's part of their policy that wherever you are promoting your links, you must indicate that you are an affiliate marketer and you earn from qualifying purchases. So once that is all said and done, you want to go through it over and over again, and you can now then click on publish. So what you want to do now is you can add an image if you want. Now you can then add topics so that readers can understand what our story is all about. So we can add something like productivity. You can add self-improvements. You can say productivity tips. You can say productivity hacks, and you can just keep going on and on as you reach. Remember that your topic or the tags that you should add should be in relation to your topic so that you can get more niched viewers to view your content who eventually purchase your book. And now you're going to go ahead and click publish now. So now you can see that our story is published, and anybody on Medium can actually go to our story, read through it, get value. And when you scroll all the way down, they can then see a book that we have recommended for them that will help them, which actually increases the conversion rate. Now, it doesn't just stop here. The next step you want to do is you want to head over to Canva and start creating pins. Now, remember that ChatGPT has given us plenty blog post ideas. So you can create blog posts for each of the blog post ideas that ChatGPT has given to you so that you can be able to also promote more of them on Pinterest. So once you get to Canva and you search for productivity pins, Canva will give you a much more streamlined template for your request. So you can see several ways, 10 ways to quit your day job and the like. So we're just going to go scroll and pick the one that we can just easily customize for our pins. So you can see this one is actually good, and it's actually a free template. So remember that I said every single tool we are going to be using in this particular video is going to be absolutely free. So we can go ahead, click on it. You can also scroll down, see if there are others that we can prefer using. So this is also free. So let's just take this one. So we're going to simply go ahead and customize this template. So now what we are going to do is we can zoom it out and we can just begin to adjust it. So first we can take this out and we can go ahead and utilize our title of our blog post for this pin. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT and we can pick the 80-20 rule. We can paste it here and we can then say get more done. We can paste that here and we can say by doing less in this one. So let's copy that, go back to Canva and edit it and paste it. So we can delete this here. So we can hold the shift down and highlight all of the text inside just so it's centralized into our design. So you may want to tweak around with the colors or with the fonts. So let me change the font of this. So I think I prefer it. I changed the font and I just adjusted it this way. You can also decide to change the color. Let's make it red just for it to stand out. And once all that is said and done, we can then go ahead to download it. Now, the next step is to start creating our pins. Now, Pinterest is not just a social media platform, it is a search engine, and people come to Pinterest with an intent, a search intent. So if people are coming to search for fashion, they will go ahead and type in fashion. If they are coming to search for productivity, they'll go ahead and type in productivity, which makes it even better for us to leverage on, because that means our pins can last for a long time. And this is unlike the regular TikTok or Instagram, meaning in years to come, in months to come, people can come on Pinterest and still find our pins. So now what we want to do is you want to sign up on Pinterest absolutely free, and you want to log in. Then you want to go ahead and click on create pin. This is where we're going to add our pin that we've created on Canva. Now we're going to go ahead and add our title. We can add a description of our title. So we can go to ChatGPT and we can just go ahead and copy this here. You can go back to Pinterest and we're going to go and paste it. Now for the link we are going to be adding, we're not going to just go ahead and add our Amazon link, because you risk your account of being banned, as Pinterest does not allow direct sales link on your pins. Instead, what we are going to do is we're going to go back to Medium, where we have gradually and naturally pitched our affiliate link. We're going to scroll up and we're going to go ahead and get our link here. So we're going to copy the link and we're going to go to our pins and we are going to paste that here. So meaning anybody who wants to go check this out based on the pins we've created, they will go to our Medium and read our story. Now to choose a board, you can easily go and create a board if you don't have a board that fits the kind of pins you are creating. So let's say the name could be productivity. This is just for you to be able to group your similar pins together, and we can click create. So all the other pins, you can put them on this board. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you want to add a tag based on the kind of things you know people will be searching for. So I put in management, tips, time management, and you may want to go add as much as you want. If you want to schedule it, you can click here and you can also scroll all the way down, check the options we want to play around with. You want to allow people to comment, show similar products and all of that. So now we want to go ahead and publish it. And now you can see our pin has been published. You can easily view it. Once we view it, you can see these are pins. This is where our impressions will be, our pin clicks, our saves. And if we should click here, you can see visit site. If we should click on the visit site, it will take us to this Medium where we've written our article. So this is exactly the funnel that our ideal prospective customers would take. And when they scroll all the way down, read all our content, they can then decide to click this and go purchase with our link. Now, one very good way of achieving the best results with this is you want to post as much pins as possible, at least 1 to 2 pins daily. I already showed you that Pinterest has an option to publish at a later date, meaning you can use one day to get the blog post ideas, to get the blog post, to create the pins, and to publish them. You can publish pins for 1 month ahead, 2 months ahead, and that way it saves you more time, because it is going to do the work for you, such that even when you are sleeping, you can be getting clicks. Another tip is that you want to know which of the pins are getting more clicks, because then you can now tell that these are the kind of pins that your ideal prospective customers are looking for. Then you can tweak your approach and create similar pins like that, of course linked to similar kind of articles that you've already posted in Medium. Now, this is a very unique strategy that you can leverage Pinterest affiliate marketing with to make thousands of dollars monthly. And the good thing about this strategy is that it makes our sales reinforced, because not just are we getting sales from Medium, we are as well getting sales from Pinterest also, which means that the more eyes that we have on our affiliate products, the more possibility of sales we will get. Now, Pinterest affiliate marketing is just an aspect of affiliate marketing that you can leverage on. Another good affiliate marketing strategy that you can leverage on is Digistore 24 affiliate marketing. And with Digistore, you have books that even have higher commission where you get to earn more. And to start Digistore affiliate marketing, you want to click the video you see on your screen right now to watch the full tutorial. Ciao.